SPON believes innovation in sound empowers a smarter, safer, and more connected world. Since 2004, SPON Communication has pioneered IP audio in China, connecting voices, spaces, and communities. Backed by over 20 years of innovation in research, design, development, and manufacturing, we deliver intelligent audio IoT solutions driven by R&D. From precise microphone arrays and deep noise cancellation to SIP-based reliable transmission and refined playback, our core technologies enable clearer, faster, and more dependable communication. Our portfolio spans IPPA systems, intercom, surveillance microphones, and conference solutions, delivering complete coverage from daily communication to mission-critical security. In education, SPON amplifies learning with clear audio and emergency response. In finance, we secure every transaction with trusted intercom. In healthcare, doctors and patients stay connected with instant communication. In transportation, stations and airports rely on safe announcements and emergency calls. In factories, integrated public address and intercom ensure safety and efficiency. In retail, background music and paging enhance shopping experience. In hotels, flexible PA zoning improves guest comfort and safety. Together, SPON empowers industries with sound that informs, protects, and inspires. Beyond business, our audio technology protects everyday life because every call for help deserves to be heard. Behind every product stands our international smart factory. Acoustic labs, rigorous testing, and MES traceability, ensuring trusted quality and consistent reliability. With deployments across nearly 100 countries, over 300 partners, and millions of devices running 24/7, we build an open, cooperative, and win-win ecosystem. SPON Communications. Hear more, connect more, be safer.